just in case if I get copywritten. 227. Oh yeah, that was Jessica. Let's go to 238. Sweet Home Alabama, eh? Let's change to it's just a clean sound. Their cleans are not bad. Such Boogie. Yeah, that's just too much. It's got Pantera on there. Gravity, Black Dog. Oh, this is the flanger. Day Tripper, let's go on the... Whoops. Day Tripper. Clean sounds are pretty good on this. 8 Miles, Breathe, Paranoid, Hysteria. Stairway, let's go. Split 2 pickups. Let's get rid of the pickup. Needs to be louder. Forgot it. Next is Symphony. I think that's Megadeth. It's good, but I don't like the extra noise that comes with it. Hallelujah. Next split. Good cleans, walk this way. Is there anything else on this? Sunshine, I think let's go. Next split. So it's got loads. Oh, we're back to the start with money on the bass. Did I show you Lucky? This one was a very strange one. Just in case I haven't, I'll show you this. Yeah, I showed you this one. Okay, let's edit some effects. So I like the modern one. So in order to, oh, I forgot to show you I'll show you the tuner first. So to tap the tuner, you just hold, and it works just like a normal tuner. The orange light is kind of distracting. Whoops. So we're back in this. So that's the tuner. Let's go and edit this. So in order to edit, we hold down this button. Then you use A and B to change the pages, and the type will scroll through the different effects. So right now, the dynamics, I have nothing, but you can put a compression, and this Dyna X, Vox Y, or your auto Ys are in here. Put some fuzz, preamp stuff. I'm gonna put some compression on this. Oh yeah, you can put your humbucker to single. Let's just do a rock sound. So compression is on. That's good enough. Next is your amp. I'm gonna stick to the US Modern, but you can switch around using the up and down. Next we have the gain of the amp. Keep it at so, treble, mids, bass. I keep it quite flat because if you mess around too much with this, if I change guitar, it just ruins everything. 4x12 modern cab is quite good. So the effects, if you don't want it, you can just press exit and it goes back. So I'm not going to put a mod. Excuse me. Press enter. Yeah. Okay, so if you don't want, so I don't want a modulation on this because it's a distortion, so I don't want it. So you press enter and it turns it off. So we're in delay. I don't want to put the delay because I usually turn off the delays on effects that I use. Reverb, I'm not going to use reverb. Noise suppression. Put that up quite high just to get rid of that sizzle sound. Level, don't put it up too high. Then you can name it whatever you want. The category is guitar, you can change it. Then if you want to write, you press enter. And then it's completed. So if you exit now, so where is it saved? Save to beat. So that's to get a good distortion sound. If you notice, I always roll off my volume because if you keep it on, you get this horrible sizzle noise. Hopefully the mic will pick that up. Okay, let's do the clean sound and let's put it full of effects. So let's edit. So with compression on, it's the boutique clean. Gain is up to 4, treble. I keep this all quite flat. For the modulation, let's try some chorus. Good enough for me. Once you're happy with that, just go next. Put some delay. Just want something quite simple for this. Let's do the slap back. Too much. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So it's just like a very subtle slap echo. Delay time. I'm happy with that. Okay, so then we'll turn on the reverb. We'll put something very. Yeah, we'll just try room. You can hear it more the chorus. So let's go back and just turn that up. Noise suppression. I'm gonna bring this up because we have so many effects on. Level, just bump that up a little. Then you can rename it, category guitar, right. And it's completed, exit, and there it is. Alright, let's go over the pros and the cons. So the pros of this is that it's a great practicing tool. It has metronome, it has the drum loops, it has a tuner. Yeah, it has all the tools for practicing. Its compact size, if you compare it to my pick, it's about 4 pick lengths. So it's very nice and portable. Has lots of useful features. The drum loops, like the beats that you have, almost 100, which is really excellent. And the controls are pretty simple. I mean, you have this edit, exit, enter, and then you have the page up, page down, and then change your effects using these two. And then you have this dial, which scrolls through all your different types of effects. And yeah, and it's USB powered, so once you plug it in, it's good. Cons. Well, it's definitely not for gigging, because of all that static sound that you get from if you put modulation, delay, or reverb on. It's definitely not good, like amplifying that. It sounds the best direct in. I don't have that capability right now, but that's the best way to go. When you play it through an amp, it's not the best because it amplifies the imperfections. One thing that I don't like about this is that there's a lot of feedback and hissing. There's a lot of digital noise that you just can't get rid of. That's one of the things. If you're using headphones, that can give you a headache, and it's not so good. And overall, if you're just practicing on the go and you just need some kind of a sound for practicing, this is an excellent tool. Like, I've had this for years and I still use it to this day. I can plug in some backing tracks. I plug it into the Boss Katana. I don't like using headphones, and I can just play away. Okay, so I just want to show you some sounds using a true single coil. Maybe this would be more a better comparison, because with the Schecter, it's very high distortion, but it's very trebly. It's not as balanced. It's more for heavy distorted sound, so the cleans don't come out as well. So let's do neck pickup, the compression clean that I just used. So I'm going to use these two coils here. So this is the true single coil. single coil and the this coil on the neck pickup. And the bridge pickup. Check out the hissing. This is constant if you use headphones. And it gets worse. So I'm going to use the high gain setting. Probably hear it a lot clearer now. Yeah, if I move, you can hear it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. If there's something that I missed, please point it out and I'll try to address it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.